what's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora beauty director.
And I'm Natasha, part of the Sephora team.
And we're thinking ahead today. It might not be fall quite yet, but we have some of our fall must-haves, things we're really excited about, makeup, fragrance, so let's jump right in. I want to try some of these. All right, so for fall, I'm thinking about new eyeshadow colors, some bold lips, always come back in fall, new scents, you know, your new season, you feel a little bit differently, and I know you wanted to talk about foundation.
Yes, I think it's so important to just change your wardrobe and just like have a lot of different varieties. So I am really into this NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I love this for the fall because I like to keep my skin looking radiant. Dullness is not allowed here. It's medium, it's breathable, it's glowy, it's basically my identity. So I really love having a foundation wardrobe, and this one, 10 out of 10.
Speaking of wardrobes, I feel like whenever I think about beauty wardrobes, I have to think about fragrance.
Yes.
You know, a new season comes along and it's kind of like a new time to start fresh. I feel like fall especially, you know, you're coming from summer into fall, something a little bit warmer, or I don't know. This one is just perfect for me. It's from Viktor and Rolf. It's Good Fortune. Viktor and Rolf describes it as being mystical, and I really feel that. It's kind of like it has this mysterious sensuality behind it. It smells so beautiful. Gotta smell this. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Just breathe that in. Yes.
It's like it's October.
Oh my gosh, it's
fall.
so fall. So it has Madagascar vanilla in it, which is going to be like this beautiful scent that almost creates like a sensual aura for you,
Which
they
we
say.
kind of just did right now.
Yes, this is an aura around us. And then also jasmine. And the jasmine, they say, is really good for kind of setting your intentions. So I figure, you know, a little spritz before the new season. You can set your intentions for fall, figure out, you know, where you want to go, where you want to be. And this fragrance can help you there.
Speaking of intentions, you inspired me to talk about something so dreamy. I love this palette from Pat McGrath.
yes.
It's the Utopian Mothership palette. Do you see that purple? It's giving exactly what
The
that
vibes.
fragrance.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put some of this on.
Oh my gosh, it's exactly the same.
Yeah, I'm feeling inspired. Let's get into it.
Okay, I'm gonna do some neutrals then.
I love that. So before going in with the purple, I need a little transition color.
Oh yeah, just for the crease? Make your life easier?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep mine really simple. I'm just grabbing like the little dark brown shade, and I'm gonna create a line for some definition because I don't have anything really on my lids right now. Look at that liner. Do you see how quickly that pigment just like picked up?
Wow, zero setting spray.
No setting spray, no wetting. Like that's Pat McGrath pigments. They just work so quickly, so easily. Makes your life easier in the morning when you're getting ready.
I'm excited now to go into these shimmers. Okay, I'm just gonna use my finger.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
I also feel like her shades are so good for that, especially the shimmers.
Do you see that? Look at that.
Oh my gosh, totally the bottle.
Cute.
I love
Right?
that.
Same. Okay, here I go.
This palette literally like inspired me to play with purples.
Purples are gorgeous.
I love them on the eye because I have like kind of hazel eyes. It kind of makes them pop a little bit. But I'm doing neutral because we're gonna talk about lipstick as well, and there's a lipstick I really want to put on. So I feel like neutral will work better. Wow, this is like way too easy.
All right, I'm gonna go in with the second shimmer, just because I want some extra oomph.
Wow, I went like dramatic with my wing here, but that pigment just works so well. Okay, which one are you doing?
I just
the
put
second
that, like,
purple.
Isn't
Oh,
that
that's
pretty?
so pretty. Yes. Oh my gosh. You know what it reminds me of is like when I was little and first experimenting with eyeshadows. That would have been like my dream color, and it still is.
That's so pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna do like a little bit of this bronzy shimmer just to tap on my lid. I think we actually did a really good job of showing two completely different looks from the same palette. I want to show really quickly what shades I used. So I used just this kind of warm brown for my liner, and the pigment was insane. And then also this kind of shimmery gold. And then you did these two purples.
Yeah, I went for like mystical October fall air on my eyes.
It's kind of perfect. I mean, you can create anything you want. All right, of course, lipsticks in fall, I'm all about a bold lip. I feel like also, I always like to do my eyes first when I'm doing my makeup before I commit to a lip. Just, you know, figure out your intensity up here and then match it down below with what kind of makes sense. So you did a purple eye.
Yep.
I did more neutral. I'm definitely going in with a Sephora Collection Cream Lip Stain in 01. This is the
Gorgeous.
original red.
There's so many gorgeous gorgeous shades to choose from. But I'm gonna go with number 5.
That's really pretty. Yeah, and that's kind of perfect for the purple. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna balance everything out. This one has a little bit of like reflective shimmers on it. I didn't even know that.
That's really pretty. It almost makes your lips look even more plump. My favorite thing about using these kinds of lipsticks is honestly that you need no liner. It's like one step lip and you're out the door.
Yeah, the applicator makes it so easy. I love the shades that we picked. It really matches our eyes.
Pretty.
I love it. But there's so many other shades, and I think we should swatch them because we have some like berries. We have some.
Ooh, this is cool.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Mine is 13.
This is number 71.
Okay, let's swatch.
This is a very fun fall shade, actually, and kind of
I would
unique.
have definitely worn this color too.
Oh, that totally could have gone with your look today.
Yeah.
I mean,
they all
could have. I kind of like this.
Yeah.
It's like.
That's beautiful.
This is like my like high school goth girl, like more mature and elevated.
I love it. Got a little bit of like gray almost.
Yeah, it's like this mauve-y, really pretty. I love
like
that.
a cement mauve. So like a true LA girly, I am always enamored by the sunsets, and I feel like the sunsets are even more special and magical in the fall. And that's what this bottle was actually inspired by, from Rainbow Bar 1969. It's warm, it's woody. Anybody can wear it, honestly, but here, I'll let you
smell
it.
Yes, please. The bottle is really chic.
She's gorgeous.
You know what? I absolutely see how that could transport you almost to like a fall sunset. You have like your pumpkin coffee in your hands. Yes. I'm here
like,
for it.
Yeah, you're like your apple cider.
Yes.
I don't know. I love it.
I feel like fall time is candle time. It's like when you start to feel warm and cozy, you set a candle, set the mood. This one's one of my favorites right now, seriously, because it's not only a candle, you can also use it as a massage oil. This one's from Dead Cool, and it's the Taunt Massage Candle.
I think we should light it.
Yes, please.
Okay, so we're setting the mood.
As you light it and it kind of slowly burns, you can actually take the oil that it creates and let it cool a little bit, but drip it onto your skin and it becomes a massage oil.
Okay, so these are just some of our must-haves for fall. We can literally sit here all day and talk about it, but these are just, you know, some thought starters for you.
I would love to hear actually what are your fall must-haves in the comments below. What do you switch up by season? It's kind of interesting. Like this video to show us some love. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more like this, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.